The future of medicine is precision medicine. And what does that mean? It means that you treat patient to his personal characteristics. In order to make drugs that are targeted at a particular person, we need to have health and medical and genomic data of that person to better understand how some drugs influence health. Is the person going to accept the treatment well or not? What are the genomic preconditions that could lead to the development of some diseases? The data is important for us to better understand the diagnostics, but also to see how well we can treat patients. Not all patients understand that. They need to share their data. We can all work together to educate the patients how important it is to share health data and to use it in research purposes. In order to make that happen, firstly, we need to have our own data. In Serbia, there wasn't a centralized system to store biomedical health data coming from the health sector, but also no storage of genomic data. We have 11 different institutes in Serbia that are currently doing genomic sequencing. All of them store their data on their own. So it was used for that particular research institute, but never reused for secondary purposes. So the key thing is that you combine data from different health institutions in order to further development of AI tools and better diagnostics. We started several pilot projects. One is with the Japanese company Takeda on something called Fabry disease. So it's a rare genetic disease that causes multi-organ failure. There is already a treatment. The disease is poorly diagnosed or underdiagnosed, not only in Serbia, I think it's throughout the world because these rare diseases are very hard to catch. So the reason why we started working on this is that it was the estimate that in Serbia only 10 people identified that have this Fabry disease. Statistically, it should be about 300. So we started using data to identify other potential patients. First, we used a common search engine to identify 10 more patients, and within the last 6 months, we worked with many health institutions in Serbia to develop the AI algorithm that can help us even more efficiently, combining from 3 different institutions, 270,000 cases that we are looking at. Within 3 months of the development of the AI tool, we now have 3 more patients that we identified thanks to this. I believe that by showing our example, C4R Serbia can motivate other countries to work on precision medicine. Data provides many opportunities that people do not see, and people are sometimes very afraid of sharing information about themselves without looking at the wider picture, understanding how it can, in the long run, help us all.